Our scholars, our teachers and sheikhs, they would mention to us, al-ilmu sultan wa huwa silahul mu'min. Knowledge is power, and it is the weapon of the believer. So you want to strive to acquire knowledge. The Prophet is reported to have said, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, you should strive to seek knowledge, even if you have to go to China to seek that knowledge. And that was a symbolic expression to tell the Muslims of that time, 14 centuries ago, that they should travel far, wherever they need to gain knowledge of Islam, knowledge of this world, knowledge that would be useful for us. And so the Muslims took this instruction at heart. And they implemented it in their lives, and they would travel long distances to gain knowledge. And knowledge of Deen, knowledge of Islam, knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, knowledge of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, knowledge of the Islamic sciences they have their priorities, but the knowledge that we seek is not only restricted to that. And our history, 14 centuries of history, especially the first 9 centuries of our history, is a great testament to what we did. Our scholars of before, they were scholars of Islam, but they were also scholars in different aspects of sciences in the world. They were the greatest of medical doctors and engineers and all the different fields of study. They invented many things that benefited humanity. And this is what I want to share with you today.